Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change a headlight bulb on a 2005 Ford Focus Estate. So here is the car. And you can see one is a lot dimmer. So I'm going to show you how to change this one. So if you want to open the engine bay, you have to put the key here, turn left and then turn right, and then you'll get it open. So for this job I'm going to use this headlight bulb. It's from Osram. It's H7, and this tool set, it's the hexagonal long ball head Allen key set, and I'm going to use size 4. So to get the headlight off, you have to unscrew this. And then you just have to pull this off. Like this. So then you'll need to take the cover off, this cover off. You have to undo these 4. Oh, one is over here, one is over here, one is over here, and last one is over here, and then it will just pop off. So the next step is to take this small thing over here. You have to press it down and then just, yep, it will come off. And then you'll get to the headlight bulb, and you can see this is pretty dark. So to take the headlight bulb off, you just have to pull it and then it comes off, and then you have to align this with this, and you put it like this. Like this, and then it will go right to the right place. And then you just have to pull this back and then press it down, and like this. Now you can put the cover back on, and then you just have to press these 4 down again, and like this. This one, this one, and this one, and now you put the headlight back to the right place, like this, and now screw this back on. Like this, and now you are done. And now you can see the headlight is exactly the same, and that's how you do the headlight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. If you liked the video, then smash the like button, and for future content, smash the subscribe button.